Back to the muddy flats, hoping for something exciting like a true tulip. This is where I found that big chocolate one. Every time I come here, I find some crown conchs, but my favorite to find here is the true tulips. Rose petal tellin right here. Oh, still hidden, so beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, what is this? Please be whole. Ugh. Ooh, feels whole, feels whole. Nice. Horse conch. Pretty good size. It's gonna clean up really nice. About the size of my hand. Super pretty dark orange. Here's a crown. Let's see, is he alive? Yes, he's alive. Okay, go back, buddy. Another crown. Ooh! Yay, this one's not alive. I mean, not yay, someone else got on me. Yay, this one's empty. But boo, it didn't make it. Really nice colors on this crown. We love seeing live shells, but we also like to find a few empty ones. The cute little Hermie and a banded. Hey, buddy. Go back, do your thing. We found this shark. He didn't make it. I don't know if the fisherman threw him back. Poor little guy. But I guess a bird will eat him.